Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you some of my DIY gift ideas for the perfect hostess. If you're going to someone's home for Thanksgiving or Christmas this year, you'll definitely want to watch. So let's get started. Okay, so I love to entertain, and for all of my entertaining friends out there who love to invite guests over to your house, you're going to be busy. So this video is for all of the guests who will be coming and some things that they can put together for you as a kind of thank you for inviting them into your home. So one thing that the hostess with the mostest loves are mini picture frames, because we can use them in so many different ways. You can use them as place cards or on our buffet table, and you can get a simple canister and then purchase some mini frames which are very budget friendly, put them inside the canisters, and this is simply just a fun and useful gift for your hostess. Take a little ribbon, tie it around the canister. If you don't have a handle at the top like this one, you can always just tie it around the canister, and it's easy to carry when you go to someone's home. You can embellish it with pumpkins if you're going for Thanksgiving, or fix it up for Christmas, but it really is cute. And canisters are great because they're so functional in different ways, such as planters, or you can use them to store your jewelry or even your coffee, but you can use them in so many different ways, and they have so many cute ones on the market, so that's really a great gift. Now, another great hostess gift is an apron, but we don't want to put our hostess to too much work or make her feel like we want her to do more work. So what you want to do is kind of make her a hostess survival kit using an apron. You know, we all love a beautiful apron, and so I love the fact that they have the pockets on them, because you can fill them with wonderful things, put them in a gorgeous box, and embellish it however you want, and it makes for a very fun and beautiful gift for your hostess. And so what you want to do is just take the apron, fold it beautifully in a box, and then shop those items that you think would either relax her or that she would love, such as a beauty oil or a nice lotion. Now, the key with this is to coordinate your colors. Find things that speak to each other, because what that does when you're putting a gift together is it tells the receiver that you really took time to pick the proper things. And one great thing is my linen spray that is on my sale website now. I have my Black Friday sale going on, if anyone doesn't know. Is great to tuck in to one of these aprons also. So I'm putting one in this one, along with the nice lotion that's perfect for the fall, some fingernail polish. There's some things that the hostess can treat herself to after she has finished entertaining for the holidays. And one other thing that you can do is, if you want to keep it, kitchen specific, put different spices into the pockets. And if you have that hostess where you want to just kind of give her a variety of different fun spices, that's another fun way to make a cute hostess gift. Okay, friends, for my next idea, and I'm not saying this because this is my subscription box, because not only is it a subscription box, but it is the perfect hostess gift this year. And it's not only a subscription box, because if you don't want to subscribe, you can go to my website and you can just purchase the box. And I recommend purchasing now because I have my Black Friday sale going on, and I was able to get the box down to the $35 price point, which made me so happy, and it's such an amazing deal. So not only load up for your hostess, load up for your mom, your sister, your aunt, your friend, because at that price, that is an amazing gift for the holidays. A beautiful large soy candle. So many of you have been telling me how much you love the candles, and I've been so excited about that. Along with, I have been manufacturing my own products so that I could give you those special products that I love around my home. This is a dishcloth holder that I had special custom made in the perfect size to sit by your sink, and that was in the current month's box. Again, you can even buy this individually on my website. Definitely check out my website. I have all my Black Friday stuff on there, but makes for the perfect hostess gift. Now, the next one is a entertaining bag. For that person who loves to have things on hand when their guests come, you can put together a cute little bag so that you can just give it to them when you arrive at their home. So cute. Find the perfect little makeup bag or little travel bag, and then find beautiful foods that play off the bag. The colors, they coordinate, because again, that tells the receiver that you really put effort into the gift, and it really just brings it all together. So when you're shopping, think about all of those different aspects when you're putting it together, and it could be such a cute little bag that you hand off to her, and then she can just go through and have fun going through the bag and seeing all of the neat little eats that she can then serve to maybe you on a different occasion. So just a cute little entertaining bag that you can give to the hostess with the mostest. Okay, friends, now let's move into another Hostess gift idea, which is extra virgin olive oil. I love giving olive oil when I go to someone's house. And you know what? It's great because it's a substitute, and maybe not even a substitute. It's even better sometimes than taking wine because they can get so much great use out of it, especially if they love to cook and entertain. And the great thing about nice olive oil is that it comes in beautiful bottles, and you can get a stopper and put it in a little bag and attach it to the bottle, and it just really makes for a cute gift. You can put a little bow on it, and you can even put it in a wine bag. So especially if you have someone who doesn't drink wine and they love to cook, this would be a great alternative to walk in with a beautiful bottle to hand to your hostess. So my next Hostess idea is to serve up some beautiful napkins to your hostess. Every entertainer, we love our napkins, and what you can do is get a set of napkins very affordably. I would stick with linen napkins if you're not really sure of your hostess style, because that could basically go with anything, or especially white napkins is also a great choice. If you know your hostess and you want to kind of venture out, maybe do a holiday themed or something like that, you can definitely go for it. But what you want to do is just take your napkins, and these are cloth napkins, and you're going to buy beautiful napkin rings, and you can even customize them to the season. These here are from Totally Dazzle, very affordable, beautiful, especially if you have that hostess that loves their bling. And you can put it on a white plate, which you can get anywhere. This one here, I think, is from World Market. Put a little wash and stain bar from Laundress on there so that they can have something to clean their napkins when they get soiled from guests. Along with, I embellished it with a little pumpkin, and then what I did was just shrink wrap it so that everything stayed in place, and it truly made it a beautiful gift. So I'm all about packaging things so that it looks complete and it's easy to transport, because I've shown you so many videos where I have, show you how to shrink wrap, and the great thing about it is it makes it easy when you go to transport. And now she has a perfect little entertaining gift, or he, and I just love this gift here. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my DIY hostess gift ideas. If you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to ask me, and I would love for you to leave me a comment. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I love all things home organization, home decor, DIY, cooking, all of it. Anything that involves the home. Also, don't forget about my Black Friday sale on my shop site. I'll put the link in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.